Hi, I'm a part of the work crew at Camp Ozark. I've always enjoyed being behind the scenes, and work crew is the perfect role for me. I love stepping in and serving wherever I can, working to move camp forward, and giving these kids an incomparable experience. It's hard work, but it's so fulfilling to see kids running around, smiling, and enjoying this beautiful place. In my role, I'm able to gain a ton of experience in a number of different fields, including event setup and logistics, maintenance and facilities operations. I get to learn under some really experienced leaders who pour into me and help me grow in my skills. We have an awesome team, and I've built really strong friendships with all my buddies I serve with. We definitely have fun day in and day out. Even when the work gets tough, we have each other to support one another and push each other to grow. Working on a team has taught me so much about myself, my strengths, and how I can become the best version of myself. Everything we do is hands-on, and everything we do has a purpose. It's fun to have an opportunity to tangibly work towards creating this amazing experience for these kids, and I can't wait to take everything I've learned home with me.